Hey everyone, I am Bruce, and today I am going to be comparing Bank of America versus Capital One checking accounts. First of all, open up the websites of both Bank of America and Capital One. So begin with Bank of America. When you get into its site, click on the checking option from the top bar. You can explore checking solutions and go into the banking advantage of Bank of America. So Bank of America provides easy access anytime, convenient ways to pay, and provides 24/7 security and smart management tools. Or you can get help with each account from their team. Then get back to its homepage and click on Savings and CDs. You will find Bank of America Advantage Savings, CDs, and IRAs. The advantage of its saving accounts such as personalized planning, a rewarding relationship, easy ways to save, and cashback deals. Also, you can check out the account details. They will waive the monthly maintenance fee each statement cycle if you meet one of these conditions. The first one is to maintain a minimum daily balance of $500 or more in your account. Ask us to link your Advantage savings account to your Bank of America Advantage relationship banking, Bank of America Advantage with tiered interest checking, or Bank of America Advantage regular checking accounts, first 4 savings accounts. They are enrolled in the Preferred Rewards program and qualify for the Gold, Platinum, or Platinum Honor tiers, first 4 saving accounts, or Diamond Honors tier, unlimited. An owner of this account is under the age of 25 and pays $8 monthly. Please see the personal schedule of fees for more information on how to link eligible accounts to avoid the monthly maintenance fee. Then we will check out the CDs option, which provides a featured CD account, fixed term CD account, and flexible CD account. The minimum opening deposit is $1,000. It is FDIC insured. The deposits are insured by the FDIC up to $250,000 per depositor, like 7 to 37 months or 28 days to 10 days. You can also check out the annual percentage yield of each plan, and it will give you the early withdrawal penalty. Then we will head to the credit cards option from the top bar. So credit card options provide cashback credit cards, travel and airline rewards cards, lower interest rate cards, points rewards cards, cards to build or rebuild credit, and cards for students. Then go into the home loans option. You can get a mortgage, refinance, home equity, home resource center, and help in finding a home. So about loans, you can get an auto purchase loan, auto loan pre-qualification, auto refine loans, and ready for an electric vehicle. After that, we have investing. So you can build on your portfolio, get a professionally managed portfolio, work with a dedicated advisor, and Bank of America rewards. In their better money habits, you have credit, debt, saving and budgeting, auto, college, and many more. You can choose the card that works for you there. Customized cash rewards give you a $200 online bonus offer. Its unlimited cash rewards card gives you $200 online bonus offers. Then we have a travel rewards card, which provides you with a $25,000 online bonus. And lastly, we have Bank America card, which will not charge you an annual fee. The pros are a large national presence with 3,900 financial centers and 15,000 ATMs. It provides easy open an account online or at a branch. Also, Preferred Rewards members enjoy fee waivers and higher rates on deposit accounts. The cons are interest rates for savings and CD accounts lag behind other banks. It costs a $10 overdraft fee and can be charged up to 2 times daily. High account balances are required to qualify for Preferred Reward status. Then we will head to the Capital One site. On this site, you will get credit cards, and they offer you the different types of it, such as credit building, cashback rewards, travel rewards, student and business rewards. Let us see the credit card options they have. So they have Platinum MasterCard, Venture Rewards, and Quicksilver Rewards. Then head to the checking and savings option from the top bar. You can find 360 checking, 360 performance savings, 360 CDs, money teen checking, kids savings account, and compare all accounts. In its annual percentage, you will get 369 checks, 360 performance savings, and 360 CDs. In its checking plan, a fee-free online account for everyday use includes a top-rated mobile app. You can earn interest with guaranteed return rates, and terms start at 6 months. They also have the kid or teen plan, and kids savings account. After that, click on the auto option from the top bar. You can shop for a car, refinance a loan, tips and tools. It is a strong digital banking platform with competitive savings, rates, specific accounts for kids and teens, and early direct deposit. But at the same time, no money market accounts and might have to deal with out-of-network ATM fees. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, goodbye.